Have you ever had the cutest little shorts and tank outfit that you didn't have the right shoes to wear with it? Maybe you were just hanging out in sneaks in the morning, but you wanted to make this a day to night outfit. And if that is you, today I have partnered with QIV and they sent me this incredible, cute little printed heels to give you my review. So these heels do come with a little cushion here to put in the bottom of the pad of the foot. This is just genius because let's be honest, if you're in your shoes for longer than an hour, your feet start to hurt and nobody wants that. So let's pop these on. They are cute little kitten heels. You can see they're about 2 inches, really cute. I love the print. They do come in a variety of prints. I got 7.5. I typically wear about 7.5 in dress shoes and 8.5 in sneakers. So we're just gonna pop, oh, these are so cute. These are absolutely adorable. I will say they are a smidge big. So I would say they're going to be a little bit bigger than you might anticipate. The back heel here is square, and then the front here is a rounded pointed toe. My toes stick out maybe a smidge over the front because the front is quite narrow. So kind of keep that in mind. If you do have a wider foot, you might not be happy with how your toes look in these shoes, but they are so cute. Look at these. You could throw these on with a cute little black dress. You could throw these on with a suit. You could throw these on with a cute shorts tank outfit like I have. These are absolutely adorable. They're easy to walk in. And as long as you put those little cushion pads in there, I really don't see any issues with these causing any type of being uncomfortable throughout the day. They are kind of like a flip-flop. So when you walk, they do flip and flop just a smidge, but super cute. So if you have been looking at these and trying to figure out, should you grab yourself a pair? I would definitely recommend trying these out, getting your favorite print, and popping them with your favorite outfit.